Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Ever stumbled upon the Paramount Plus error code 4206,100? This pesky bug is a playback issue that can pop up when you're trying to enjoy your favorite content on Paramount Plus. But don't fret, there are solutions at hand. The error codes might be the result of a variety of factors. Outdated smartphone firmware, an outdated PC or browser, or even an outdated version of the Paramount Plus app itself can be the culprits. Sometimes the issue might be as simple as temporary device glitches or corrupted app cache or data. On other occasions, it could be a temporary issue with Paramount Plus, or even a slow internet connection. Browser-related issues can also trigger these error codes. Now, on to the fixes. If your smartphone firmware is outdated, check for any pending updates and install them. Similarly, ensure your PC and browser are up to date. Updating the Paramount Plus app itself could also solve the issue. Another simple solution is to restart your device. Turn it off, unplug the power, wait for 60 seconds, and plug it back in. If the glitch persists, try clearing the cache for Paramount Plus. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Paramount Plus, and clear cache and storage. For iPhone users, uninstall and reinstall the app, while PC users can clear their browser cache and cookies. It's also worth checking your internet speed. Use any online speed test website for this. If the speed is slower than expected, it may be time to contact your internet service provider. Switching to a different browser could also help. If none of these steps work, uninstall and reinstall the Paramount Plus app to fix any temporary glitches. As a last resort, reach out to Paramount Plus support for further assistance. So, to sum it all up, the Paramount Plus error code 4206,100 can be caused by a range of factors from outdated firmware and software to temporary glitches and slow internet. Remember, when in doubt, reach out to Paramount Plus support. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.